Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. And today we're gonna continue our deep dive into the parking lot sale. The parking lot sale. Today we're gonna focus on 35% off all Maddox auto shop tools, equipment, and diagnostics. If you find this useful, helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing and hyping. And I appreciate all the HARBROs. Getting close to the new year. Don't forget, free gift, December 29th to 31st. Today and tomorrow still. If you have a chance, let me know how the HARBROs are doing. But let's look at Maddox. Well, let's read the flyer real quick. It says all Maddox auto shop tools, equipment, and diagnostics. And as I'm interpreting that, that sounds like everything. That sounds like everything Maddox. There's nothing in the Maddox line that I don't think doesn't fall in that category. But we'll just go through it. But first, we'll start off with the brand new OBD2 readers, code readers. And there's a few of them. We have the Maddox MR16 advanced 4.3-inch screen. I think these have taken the place of Zurich. There might still be some Zurich in stores that are on clearance, but these are the ones to go with. The MR16, the MR10 at $90, the MR14 at $200, and then the MR5 OBD2 code reader at $45. So, before we look at the prices, let's look at the difference between the OBD2 readers. And it does show handhelds versus Bluetooth smart mobile device, but this says coming soon, so it's not out yet. It does say lifetime free updates. Software updates are free for compatibility with the latest vehicle makes and models. Double asterisks, updates available for the duration of the current code reader generation. But there's a nice breakdown here. The difference between the OBD2 readers. Again, this Bluetooth one is not out yet, so we'll ignore the middle column. We have the MR5, MR10, MR14, MR16. The initial difference is the displays. 4.3-inch displays on the two larger ones, 2.8 and 1.8-inch on the smaller ones. Removable cable only for the two more premium ones. They all do smog check, which is great. Only the top three do IM monitor test. Same thing for the EVAP test, and then same thing for the OBD2 10 modes. Drive cycle procedures only for the top two. DLC location only for the top two as well. Trouble codes, they all do check engine light, OBD2 code, freeze frame, code severity, and then the top three do ABS code. And then only the two premium ones do airbag SRS code, TPMS codes, and all system scans. Live data, they all do powertrain data stream. Different waveform graphing for the top three. Live data record playback only for the top two. Enhanced data stream only for the top two as well. Service check, all of them. Battery charging system. Tire pressure, only the top three. Oil level, the top two. Oil level, oil life, transmission oil temp, hybrid battery cell voltage, and brake pad. All of those only for the two more premium, the MR14 and the MR16. And then compatibility, repair solutions 2 compatible for all of them, and secure gateway ready only for the top three. So that's the difference between the Maddox OBD2 readers. If you want all the bells and whistles, all the service checks, it's the MR14 or the MR16. I didn't see any difference besides the electronic parking brake release and the diesel particulate filter reset, and then more services for workshop tools in the OBD to the MR16. If not, the MR14 is quite a deal. MR10 probably gets most of the things done, and then really light for the MR5. But that's the overview. We'll start with the MR16 at $250, but at 35% off. Get it down to $162, saving about $90, $162, and it's a brand new product, which is probably the crazier thing. You rarely get huge discounts on new products. So $162 for the MR16. Looking at the MR14, it's at $200. Get that down to $130. So save almost $70, $130, a little bit easier pill to swallow. For the MR10 2.8-inch screen OBD2 code reader at $90, so already definitely more affordable. And getting this down to $58. So still saving over $30 there. Less than 60 bucks. So not a bad option to go with. And then you have the Maddox MR5 OBD2 code reader at 45 bucks. Get this down to $29.25. So if you just need to take a flyer and you only need smog check, check engine light, freeze frame code severity, OBD2 code, powertrain data system, battery charging system test, then keep it simple. Those are the OBD2. Then of course we have everything else. So we'll focus on the high to low. First we have the Maddox Universal Hydraulic Brake Flaring Toolkit at 330 bucks. Full assortment of SAE and metric sizes to fabricate push connect flares. Let me know which of the HARBROs are using tools like these, but this is the priciest one at 330 and at 35% off. Getting it for 214 bucks, so saving $115 on this one. So quite a reduction in price. Buy once, cry once. Showing his example of the flare. And here they made a hard line brake flare. So for 115 bucks off, looks like people are finding it useful. Then we have the Maddox side panel dent repair kit. This is a little bit more straightforward. Complete assortment of panel tools, ideal for paintless dent repair, where the paint surface has not broken. That's $200. And at 35% off, getting it for $130. So saving 70 bucks on this tool, on this side panel dent repair kit. 33 piece. We keep going. This is one of the ones in the flyer, pictured in the flyer. Currently $30 off for ITC, the Maddox 5-gallon ASME compliant tire bead seater. That's a lot bigger than what it looks like there. Quickly and safely seat the bead of any tire from 4 inches to 24.5 inches with this high air volume delivered by this bead seater's quick release valve. And here are people seating the beads on their tires. Super interesting. So this is 150 bucks. Get it down to $97.50. So over $50 savings on this 5-gallon ASME compliant tire bead seater. We continue. The Maddox 12 volt 125 psi high performance inflator. Inflators are always super clutch. Great to have. This portable air compressor has a powerful direct drive motor to fill an automobile or SUV tire from 10 to 30 psi in 2 minutes. 24-foot long power cord with alligator battery clamps reach 4 corners of the vehicle. Rubber feet storage included. 140 bucks. So a little bit pricey. But at 140 bucks, 35% off, getting it down to 91 bucks. So something to consider. Anybody have this Maddox high performance tire inflator? Solid deal. Another repair kit, dentless repair kit at 140. Slide hammer dent puller for smaller dents and dings without body filler at 140. Get it down to 91 bucks. Very specific Maddox exhaust pipe expander kit, also $140. So I guess pretty straightforward. If you need to expand your exhaust pipe by just a little bit, this is the tool to do it. 140. Be the same discount, 35% off. Get it down to $91. The Maddox radiator pressure test kit at 130 bucks. A little more straightforward. Get it down to $84, saving about 45 bucks, almost $50 savings there. Clamshell style strut spring compressor, 120. Get it down to $78. Manual truck tire changer, 120. Also get down to $78. The Maddox front wheel drive bearing remover and installer. Replace the front wheel bearing on front wheel drive cars and light trucks without a hassle. 115 bucks. Use lube, always great advice. Has everything needed to replace my ball bearings. Bearing puller work, great. And at $115, 35% off, getting it down to 75 bucks. So saving about $40 worth of savings. $75 for your front wheel drive bearing remover and installer kit. Then we have the Maddox 9-way 5-pound slide hammer and puller set for 110 bucks. Great tool at a great price. Big help removing my wheel hubs. Came with a variety of attachments. This product was the solution, highly recommended. And at $110, Get it down to 71 bucks, so saving close to $40 with the 35% off. The Maddox front end service toolkit, 5-piece, get it down to $71 as well. Maddox locking lug nut master key set, 16-piece, compared to Matco, $100. Lug nut key set handles most aftermarket locking lug nuts for $100. Don't need to do the math. Get it down to $65. You'll save 35 bucks. The deluxe fuel injection service kit, $100. Also save $35. Get it down to 65 bucks. Master diesel compression test kit, save 35 bucks. The cordless hot stapler kit. This is also a brand new tool. Quickly reinforce or repair plastic parts on automobiles. $100, save $35. The Maddox ball joint service kit, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive vehicles, $90. Service ball joints and more on 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive cars and light trucks, $90. Get it for $58.50. Did it. Manual bead breaker for $90. Same, get it for $58. Maddox cooling system test refill kit for $85. Get that down to $55. Maddox cylinder leak down tester for $85. Same thing, get it for $55. The harmonic balancer puller installer set, 52-piece for $55, saving $30. The Maddox half-inch drive wheel bearing lock nut set, $80. Maddox pneumatic fan clutch wrench set, $75. Save just under $30 on both of those. The heavy duty oil filter wrench set, $75. Get it down to $48. The deluxe flaring tool kit, $69.99. Nice. Save 14% for ITC, but get it down to $45.49 with the 35% off. And then we'll just kind of fly through the rest. Dual vacuum pressure hand pump kit, ball joint service add-on kit, 11-piece. Inner tie rod tool set, large valve spring compressor, deluxe compression kit, 10-piece, universal radiator adapter. Maddox has it all. They're showing this one that was unavailable on the other page, still saying currently unavailable. The body and fender set, 7-piece, $50. Auto body and fender hammers and dollies are ideal for repair and fabrication. That's pretty cool. Cool hammer set, really nice looking hammer set compared to ATD, and at $50. Get down to $32. Seems like a good flyer. $32.50. And we have the tie rod separator set, 5-piece. Brand new Maddox advanced timing light at $50. This superior quality timing light is designed to stand up to daily shop use. I didn't know Maddox made lights, but they do. $50. Get it for $32.50. The master disconnect tool set for $45. Basic fuel injection service kit, universal lug nut removal set, Maddox's disc brake pad and caliper tool kit, 11-piece, $42 normally. They get it all the way down to $27.30. Use this handy brake pad and caliper toolkit to service brakes without damage. Maddox's 32-ounce refillable pressurized sprayer. Maddox bearing race and seal driver set. Easily replace bearing races without damaging the race or axle house. $40. Get down to $26. Pulley remover and installer set. Also down to $26. The McPherson strut spring compressor set, $38. Strut spring compressor works quickly and safely. Get it down to $24.70. Engine and transmission oil pressure test kit, $38. Combustion leak detector, $35. Bearing separator with 1/2 to 4 3/8 jaw capacity. Door skin repair kit, 4-piece. Variable pin spanner wrench for $30. Fuel injection pump tester. Real axle bearing puller set, 3-piece. Fuel and transmission line disconnect tool set, 7-piece. Heavy duty automotive tire repair kit. Exhaust tailpipe cutter if you're going to collect some catalytic converters. 30-foot retractable test leads. Trim panel scraper set, 12-piece. A remote starter switch. T-bolt hose clamp. Back probe kit. 5-quart dispenser with lid. Assorted single ear hose clamp set, 40-piece. Overhead valve spring. This is a new tool. $7 the hood tailgate support clamp. If your hood Spring struts or hydraulic arms aren't working anymore. This can hold them up instead of using a stick. And those are all the Maddox. There's quite a bit. I know we sped up quite a bit, but there is an assortment of shop tools. Let me know what the Harbros think. Any of the Maddox tools that you're excited about, let me know. And I'll leave it at that. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Don't forget your free tools still. You got today, tomorrow, really tomorrow. Let me know how that's going for you. Please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your